Good afternoon, everyone. This is your Lara. It's my name. Gusto ko lang po kayong imbitahan na samahan din ako mag-audition sa gaganapin sa August 21, 10:10 a.m. sa Hikifune Station, or we call it Keisei Hikifune Station. 1 minute lang po dun sa Bunkakai kanila doon. Na Pinoy Big Brother Season 4 na tayo. Sa lahat po ng gustong sumali, 18 and above, magdala lang kayo ng valid ID and a passport and a half body picture and full, hindi ko alam, basta ganun po. Sali na tayo, samahan niyo ako. This is our chance. This is my first time to have an audition, kaya let's go, guys. Oh, Lara, that's my name. Oh, Lara, that's bye bye.